What's up guys, Tony here from Apple Ties 5, and in this video I'm just showing off my Nexus 4 running the Nexus 5 port RAM, its final version for your Nexus 4 device. This is the #1 RAM right now as far as 4.4 Android custom RAMs go, so I highly recommend you go ahead and install this on your Nexus 4. All the features work. The only thing that's actually not working on this RAM is actually the compass, which I don't know anybody who uses the compass that much, but everything works. Slide to the side, you get to Google Now. If you say the hot word, which is okay Google, what's the weather like today?
Today's forecast for Cleveland is 55 degrees and partly cloudy.
So everything works. I'll go ahead and show you what I'm running. All the settings from Nexus 5, everything is working on the Nexus 4. So according to Google, I read somewhere that the Nexus 4 update, KitKat update 4.4 will not be getting all the features from the Nexus 5. So that's kind of sad. So that's why I recommend that you just root and install the Nexus 5 port final version on your Nexus 4 if you want to get all the features. So here it is, Android version 4.4. Everything is working on here, guys. This is a #1 RAM right now as far as Android version 4.4. So if you look it up on Google, you will see that this is #1. So I highly recommend you check it out. Okay, tap on, let me see if I get the, there you go, that's Easter egg. And if you hold on it, you get this, and if you hold on it some more, you'll get, let's see if I could get to it. Yeah, you'll get this. It's pretty nice Easter egg. If you want to get out of it, you just pull down from the top, press back, and you're out. So yeah, this is, everything works on here. I'm going to go through the settings for you guys. So here you have the KitKat settings, quick settings. Everything works. Battery life is awesome on 4.4. I highly recommend it. We'll go to settings. We'll go through the list. Also, if you are running an older baseband or radio on your Nexus 4, like I am, you'll get LTE, believe it or not. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Let me see where I'm at. Right here. Let me show you my radio first. I'm running a hybrid radio. So let me see what I'm running. 0.33. So with that radio, this is a hybrid radio that I flashed previously before installing KitKat. I already had this radio installed. So when I flashed the Nexus 5 port, it kept the same radio, so that's pretty nice. So I'll go ahead and show you that LTE does work. Let me go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi. And you'll see that LTE should kick in. There it is, LTE. Let me get out of there. And you can see at the top, LTE, so you can get LTE running on your Nexus 4. I have T-Mobile. So you can see T-Mobile there. So T-Mobile speeds are awesome. I have, well, I don't have it on here, but I had some speed tests and I got 33 megabits per second down. So LTE works. Everything works. Let me go back to settings and show you guys. Turn Wi-Fi back on. Go to settings, and here's where you set up your mobile network. You'll get this setting when you flash this RAM. You got LTE, 3G, and 2G. You can just set LTE if you have the old baseband radio. And the access APNs are already on there. They come with the RAM. The cool thing about this RAM is that you don't have to install any gaps. Google Apps, they come pre-installed with the RAM. And it's actually a pretty small RAM. I think it's 300 and, I don't remember exactly, but I thought it was 380 megabytes. So it's not a huge RAM. So let me see, if you turn on NFC, you will get some settings, some extra settings. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. Android Beam works. We'll go back, and here you'll see tap to pay. So that'll work if you have it set up. I don't really use that, so I just do have my NFC turned off. NFC, cell broadcast. I'm T-Mobile. They don't. Oh yeah, here's the emergency, like the Amber Alerts and all that. So this is always nice to have. Mobile plan is what I was talking about. It doesn't work on T-Mobile. Go back. Sounds, they have some new sounds on KitKat. You get everything you're getting on the Nexus 5, you'll get on the Nexus 4 with this RAM. So I'll go through them. Let me see which one I was on. That's the one I use at the moment. So notifications is set to that one. There's tons of them. You guys will have fun. I haven't really gone through all the notification sounds, but they're pretty nice. You have dial tone, dial pad touch tones, touch sounds. I have that disabled. Screen lock sound, vibrate on touch. I take that off because that does run your battery out. So let's see, display, typical settings, pulse notification, storage. I have the 8 gig, so I don't have much storage left. I actually have 3.5 gigabytes left. Clean that out. Now I got 3.69 gigabytes. I do have the RAM. See, you can see that's the download. That is the Nexus 5 RAM. And I believe it's root access also. So super user is in there too. So those combined, that's how big the RAM is itself. It's 391 megabytes. So when you do install this, that's how large the file will be. But like I said, it comes pre-installed with Gaps, Google Gaps 4.4. So other than that, everything's the same. Location has changed a little bit. Now you have these settings up here where you can battery saving mode, high accuracy, uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks to estimate location. You can turn that one on, whichever one you prefer. I have mine on battery saving. And you got a help option there, shows you how to use it. You can disable it if you want. Security is the same as in Jelly Bean. I didn't see anything new. Face unlock, pattern pin, everything's the same. Owner info, you can type whatever you want in there. You can set up SIM lock. You can make passwords visible. Here's your device administrators. You can activate whichever one you want. I have Android Device Manager activated. It came like that, so I didn't touch it. Unknown sources. You can check that on and off if you want to install applications or APKs that are not from the Google Play Store. Other than that, it's pretty basic. Language and input, you can set up your keyboard. I have my voice typing. I like that. I like using that a lot when I'm in the car. So here you go. You can block offensive words. Typical stuff you're going to find. Here's vibrate on key press. I have that disabled, like I said, so I won't waste my battery. Battery life is really amazing on Android 4.4. It's way better than Jelly Bean. I highly recommend it. Backup and reset. Usual stuff. Here are all my accounts. Time, accessibility. Now you have the printing option. You can do wireless printing. Cloud print. HP print service program. You have all these. So that's pretty nice. Developer options. You know how to get those by now. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty basic on Android KitKat. I do like the way it colors in the navigation bar down here and the status bar at the top. So now it's transparent. I like that. And I also like the white icons, battery icons and all that. So let me know what you guys think about Android 4.4 KitKat. So like I said, I read somewhere in Google where they were saying that the Nexus 4 wasn't going to get all the features. So I'm not sure if they were going to get just Google feature at the top when you can just say, okay Google. I'm not sure if they're going to get that. But if you want to go ahead and try this RAM, I'll have the link in the description below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to find out what I all have installed on my device. That's about it, guys. Comment below, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.